Are you enjoying your stay? Before you do or you take up any task, you should learn to compose yourself and prepare yourself, fully equip yourself for spiritual sadhana. You need to prepare yourself by withdrawing consciously from the external world with full determination that I will explore all the realms and know myself. Doesn't matter if you cannot know God. If you go according to your daily necessity, the word God does not have any place. What do you need? You need complete peace, bliss and happiness. And if your concept of God fits into this, then it will help. Otherwise, mere faith does not help. Sometimes it could be injurious. So we have to separate something. One is called mind and another is called heart. Heart is supposed to be center of emotions and mind, thoughts. We all know that emotions are more powerful than our thinking process. They can upset your thinking, your knowing. So if you find out, if you become aware from where those emotions arise, you'll be sorry. You'll feel very small about yourself, that they are based on your 4 primitive fountains. The food that you eat, the quality of sleep you have, your sexual appetite, and that urge, these urges, and then a sense of self-preservation all the time. You are afraid of losing something and not gaining something. If you do not work from the very beginning systematically, that you know something about everything but you do not know anything perfectly. In the path of sadhana, you don't use your mind. Mahajana ena gatasya pantha. Great sages have trodden this path. Why do you not follow the same path? Because path of truth is one and the same. Therefore, no need of doing new experiments. If ancients have done anything for us, they have given us a clear-cut path. You see. And we cannot change that. No speaker, no writer can write anything new or speak something new. What do? We change the baskets, eggs are the same. You see, when you read a book, you will find somebody has written same thing again and again and again. You see. Pick up someone's research work. Picking up from here, there, everywhere, compiling a book, and that is called research. You see. According to psychology, it is called obsession. The more you read and write and then that's not helpful. On the path of spirituality, you can help yourself, and at the same time, when someone is prepared, you can help others also. You understand something about human body. I'm not talking about the physical body. I'm talking about that body which lives inside you, which motivates your whole life, leads you to do things, and then you put blame on others or yourself. You see, you should understand something about yourself, that there is another finer body within you. So we discussed that, come out. First of all, within you lie human, and you should learn to have dialogue with that human. How do you start that dialogue? What do I mean by dialogue? Talking to yourself. If you walk on the street and you start talking to yourself, you see, people will think that you are crazy and you need hospitalization. That's not what I mean. Antaha karana. Antaha means inside. Karana means that which functions inside you. There are 4 main functions, though classification can be extended. And all those 4 functions have their characteristics. You consider yourself as a wheel. A wheel has got a hub. That hub does not move. And because of that hub, the whole wheel is rotated. So that hub creates motion on these spokes, and these spokes create motion in the wheel. Chakras are like wheels in your body. Mainly, 7 chakras are controlling your whole body through motion, creating motion. Who gives energy to your chakras to function? I am coming to that point. Now, you see, when you want to know the nature of the individual soul, you say soul does not move, yet it moves. Externally, it is a contradiction. What do you mean by moves and yet it doesn't move? This hub on a wheel does not move, yet creates movement in whole of this. If you take out this hub, nothing will happen. If you take out soul, individual soul, nothing will happen. Now, direct energy comes through 4 definite functions. One is called manas, another is called chitta, another is called, which is the biggest in everyone, ego, another is called buddhi.